In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on keep screen on Samsung while you are viewing the Samsung phone screen. So, whether you set the Samsung phone screen time to 15 seconds or 10 minutes, your Samsung phone screen will remain active while viewing the Samsung phone or while you're using the Samsung phone right away. Instead of the Samsung phone screen time to be active while you're using the phone, this feature will disable the screen time feature on your Samsung phone, and your Samsung phone screen will remain active unless or until you drop the Samsung phone and start focusing on something else instead of the device. Now, to turn on keep on screen on Samsung phone, all you need to do is go to your Samsung phone settings, then scroll down and click on display. Scroll down and click on screen timeout. As you can see, my Samsung phone screen timeout set to 15 seconds. You can set the screen timeout to a maximum of 10 minutes. So whether you set to 10 minutes or you set to 5 seconds, to keep your Samsung phone screen time active all time while using it, all you need to do is tap keep on while viewing. Then you should see keep the screen on while you are looking at it using the front camera to detect your face. So this feature is going to use your Samsung phone front camera to detect your sight or face while you are using your Samsung phone, and the screen timeout will be inactive at this moment. But the moment you focus on something else rather than focusing on a Samsung device, the Samsung phone screen timeout will be active, and keep screen on while viewing it will be deactivated silently without turning off this. And when else you pick your Samsung phone, you'll be able to use the Samsung phone and keep the screen active while using it. So find this really helpful. If you want to hit the like button, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.